Going through the car wash currently. Welcome back, Hispanics exclusives. We over here, granny shifting the Gulf R again. Y'all missed it how I turned. I straight shift the second, third, fourth. You know what I mean? We was going. Let's see how this car wash is though. It is an automatic. We're not gonna. Well, the car's a manual, but the car wash is automatic. So let's see how clean this bad boy can get. Let's do it. Let's go. Keep it clean. We're not supporting them, but this is who we use. Wash X Car Wash. Wash X Car Wash. See what I'm doing here? I don't know why the camera's so freaking blurry, but hey. Lady, you want me to back up? She wants me to. How you doing? Here you go. Thank you. You too. Long line. Smell like clutch in the morning. Yeah, I hope you don't get behind me, because what the fuck? Yeah, you like that. You just gotta feel like clutch, feel the movement. I don't know why the camera makes it so blurry, but fuck it. Who gives a fuck? But I think I'm gonna make a part two to this also, but we'll see. I kind of like it when it does a video like this and it focuses in, but it is what it is. Volkswagen, come buy a Volkswagen, man. I am supporting that. Come buy from me. You get the best deal, man. Damn, this not long as hell. Yeah, I gotta wrap it up for the badasses. Yeah, so eh. See you guys when I'm out of here.